Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank the honorable member for his question, which I could have simply answered by saying that it's progressing very well, now awaiting final report of the consultation from the Solicitor General. But out of my respect for him and his keen interest in this subject, I will spend a little longer. The Speaker, sir, the civil servants are the heart of the government machinery. Their commitment, dedication, and purpose are the crucial link that translates policy decisions into tangible services and development outcomes for our great nation. Despite the global downturns and the geopolitical tensions that continue to disproportionately affect developing nations like ours, the resilience of our people has demonstrated that we can persevere and we can progress in spite of those challenges that lie ahead of us. The General Orders, Mr. Speaker, sir, is a living document, which means that it continues to grow and change, and it guides the roles and responsibilities of every civil servant. It is their working Bible that binds the public service in matters of discipline, conduct, and entitlement. The General Orders, commonly referred to as GO, is a vital document that outlines the terms and conditions of service for the civil servants, including appointments, discipline, leave entitlements, allowances, and conduct. Since the issuance of the orders in 2011, the civil service has undergone significant reforms, and the demands of modern governance, which have also evolved considerably. Mr. Speaker, so the review of the 2011 General Orders is crucial as well as required and timely. The necessary reform of this document ensures that the government policies, procedures, and conditions of service of the public service are kept abreast of current national legislations, global best practices in public administration, and to ensure that they remain relevant, equitable, and responsive to the current and future needs of the public service and the Fijian people. Mr. Speaker, sir, the overarching objectives of the review are modernization to align policies and practices with international best standards in public administration, simplification and clarity to remove ambiguity, ensure consistency, and make the orders more user-friendly for both managers and civil servants. Legal alignment to ensure all provisions conform with the 2013 Constitution, relevant legislation, and human rights principles. Gender and inclusion sensitivity to reflect national commitment to gender equity and disability inclusion and safe and respectable workplaces. On digital transformation to support ongoing digitalization of civil service operations and the introduction of e-government platforms. The review, Mr. Speaker, sir, reflects government's commitment towards cultivating a fair, transparent, and professional civil service that is capable of delivering high quality and efficient services to all Fijians. Mr. Speaker, sir, to effectively transform and modernize the civil service, it is imperative that we implement policies that accurately reflect the realities of the evolving public sector environment and establish robust mechanisms to safeguard and enhance public trust. The review of the 2011 General Orders The comprehensive framework which governs the terms and conditions of employment of civil servants is nearing its final stages right now. I wish to inform this esteemed House that the Ministry of Civil Service, in close coordination with the Office of the Solicitor General, has conducted extensive consultations with the relevant ministries and trade unions. This process ensures that the revised provisions are fair, transparent, and responsive to the evolving needs of the workforce. The review, Mr. Speaker, sir, upholds the principles of good faith, eliminates discrimination at all levels, and guarantees a safe and healthy working environment for all civil servants. All relevant issues raised during these extensive consultations will be incorporated into the revised draft. I wish to reassure this August House and the honourable member that all necessary due processes have been and will continue to be strictly adhered to in the compilation and review of this critical national framework. The Solicitor General's review is critical to ensure that the document is legally sound and fully consistent with all relevant legislative frameworks. This essential step will guarantee that the revised general orders are free from any legal deficiencies that could potentially undermine its enforceability. Following peer review and legal vetting, the revised general orders will be forwarded to the Public Service Commission for formal endorsement. This crucial step will then enable the general order to be officially issued as the authoritative framework governing the terms and conditions of service across the entire civil service. It is anticipated that this entire rigorous and final issuance process will be completed by December of this year. In conclusion, Mr. Speaker, sir, the review represents a critical step forward in strengthening the professionalism, accountability, and responsiveness of the civil service. Our aim is to rebuild the very foundation of our public institutions and strategically shaping a civil service that is both efficient and genuinely prioritizes the needs of every Fijian, whilst contributing meaningfully to the essential work of nation building and development. Mr. Speaker, sir, this process underscores the government's commitment to strengthening the civil service framework, safeguarding the rights and welfare of its employees, and modernizing employment conditions in accordance with contemporary standards and international best practices. I acknowledge the commitment of all those involved in this review process, and I assure this honourable House that the government remains fully committed to building a stronger, fairer, and more efficient public administration system for all Fijians. Thank you.